we're back. You got to go check for a part. Didn't have it. Okay, how do you get this open? Dull again. Ah, right there. There's a spot. What's that?
That appears to be a motor mount.
That is a motor mount. How do you tell if it's genuine or not?
See if it bends.
You're getting smart. What do you think?
I don't know, I was laughing too hard. I didn't see if it bent.
I think it's a genuine. So that one is not this one.
No, it's not.
See, this one's made for aluminum heads. They had a spacer went there and it went right on here. This one here didn't use a spacer, it went down all the way to the hole, but see, I can't do that because those fins are in the way. But I've seen people take those fins and make them go away and then it fits.
I see.
That does affect the cooling. So this is made for a cast iron head, which I don't have one laying around here, I don't think. So this is your cast iron mount for a 45 motor, and this is your aluminum head mount for a 45. This is aluminum head for a 45 motor, and that's a bunch of aluminum cylinders down there for 45 motors. So you have one of these, and one of these, like that. And you put your mount on here like that. And you have another cylinder over here. It'll be good. But you know something that's a problem here?
What's that?
Rear head, front cylinder. See, they don't mix. You grabbed the wrong one.
Yeah, sorry. My bad.
It's standard though. So that means you should have grabbed the rear one.
Yes.
We're gonna find a rear one.
On the floor.
Right there. You see that matches the bolt pattern, see? See how it's shaped now, consistent? And that goes like that. And you put your 22.5 degree tilt to, and that's how it goes on the bike. And this is supposed to have the same tilt right there to make it flat when it goes across. That's why these ones are bent, see? When you bend them over and they're flat, see that becomes flat.
That works.
That's why they're bent those angles. And there's a reason for that. If you notice, they're very strong, they don't bend. There's a reason for that too. What was the reason?
It's a Harley part.
Because it's a Harley part, yeah. You're getting pretty good at this. You start learning Harley parts and other parts. This all came from over here somewhere, so we'll just stack them up, figure it out. All right, and this is shipping damage. See the film?
Terrible.
Yeah, you get hit and you get devaluation and shipping. All right, so there you go. What's the difference?
One of them needs a spacer, and one of them's for aluminum heads.
Aluminum head, cast iron head.
There you go.
Which means if it's a 45W series or if it's a trike, which is G series. This only fits a WL series, which is aluminum head. Or WLD, which is the hot rod aluminum head. There you go. I'll leave that over there because it's 45 pile. There you go.